Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The National Water Commission is reporting that some residential customers will be charged at a higher rate than the 4% increase approved in December by the Office of Utilities Regulations. NWC's regulatory analyst Tanisha Parks explained why on Radio Jamaica 94 FM's Hotline program. TVJ's Andrew Ladley reports.
In December, the Office of Utilities Regulations OUR announced that it has approved an overall increase of about 4% in water rates. Some consumers started to see that increase reflected on their bills last month, but regulatory analyst at the NWC, Tanisha Parks, revealed that some customers will see an increase of more than 4%, depending on how much water they consume. She explained that only one group of customers will be charged the 4% rate increase, those who consume less than 3,000 gallons of water per month. The rate increase would bring the monthly charge for that group to $495 per 1,000 gallon. But the other three groups will incur higher charges. For example, those consumption between 3 and 6,000 gallons will attract a charge of $881 per 1,000 gallon and $960 for each 1,000 gallon of water consumed above 6,000 but no more than 9,000 gallons. The highest charge is applied to consumption of more than 9,000 gallons of water per month. They are expected to pay $1,638 per 1,000 gallon above that level. She says consumers in that group are actually paying for premium service, noting that consumption patterns above 9,000 gallons per month at the residential level usually indicate luxury lifestyle. She also noted that the price gap is in place to make water more affordable for the poor. Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
Oil prices tumbled today as the coronavirus cooled economic activity in China. Prices fell to their lowest in more than 5 years as the crisis entered its second month, threatening to further drain demand for crude for the world's largest consumer. Reuters sources say the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries may consider cutting output. The price of oil settled down $1.45 at $50.11 per barrel. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $140.85, the Canadian dollar $104.50. The pound closed at $182.26, while the euro is going for $155.70. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 4,321 points today, and the junior market index declined by 21 points. Among the winners, medical disposables and supplies, 138 Student Living, Radio Jamaica, Supreme Ventures, and Main Event Entertainment Group. On the losing side, we had Kingston Properties, Stanley Motor, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Siboney Group, and Sagicor Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.